Jody's feeling better today. She's eating eggs, scrambled. Daddy was sitting at the computer working, and she started making a motorboat noise, and I thought I'd tape it. Can you make your noise, Jody? Baby Jody. Huh? Can you do it? Come on, don't cry. Can you make your noise? I'm gonna run out of batteries before long. Here's you some eggs. Can you do it? Okay, I guess we'll have to try later. I'm gonna turn the camera off. Baby Jody. Here comes big sister Addie. She's a bat today. Are you a bat? You are. How do bats sound? What are you showing your fangs? Are you a blood drinking bat or are you a fruit bat?
Fruit bat.
A what?
Fruit bat.
A fruit bat? Trying to get your sister to make her noise. She will sound like a boat. There she goes. She still don't have a tooth in her head.
How do you get that video?
I'm taping you if you go over yonder. You can play with Jody and I'll tape you. Don't do that. There she goes. She's doing it.